All right, so this is the mobile version. We've got, again, the photo, welcome to Adams County, Iowa, with the description, and when you, again, like the desktop, click learn more, it'll take you to our history. But just wanted to show the menu bar for a second. Now, with this, I didn't add the photo journals. I just added it here. I guess I could have continued to do that, but that's that. Got driving, again with the building, address, and info. Got the building permit. With the desktop, you actually see the document, but here you just click on it and it'll take you there. And finally, the voting.